Something great is happening. Boundary Ford Gives is so excited to be at the forefront. We are super privileged to be able to be constantly bringing such amazing events that just totally benefit our community.
I'm Cassandra, and I am one of the sales consultants that work at Boundary Ford here in Lloydminster. I wanted to talk to you guys today. I wanted to chat with you guys about mental health. It's a pretty hard topic for a lot of people to discuss, and I think it's really important that we take the time now to break the stigma. I am speaking out about Project Sunrise today because it sincerely affects my family. I have lost somebody to mental illness, and I realized that, silence is, the biggest killer of all. Project Sunrise really is the amazing platform for people like me to be able to speak out about mental illness and mental health awareness. And I think it's just going to do really amazing things for the community. Even if it helps one person like me or the entire community that's struggling, I think it's going to do amazing things.
Communities are built by us in them, and the only way you can do this is by people volunteering their time and putting their money towards causes in the community. I believe that Lloydminster is the greatest community in 2 provinces and possibly in all of Canada.
Project Sunrise is our mental health initiative for better mental health care and support right here in the Lloydminster area. Proceeds from this hockey game, every single dollar on every single ticket sold will go directly to our charity, specifically to the youth mental health portion of the project game plan, which basically suits up every single youth athlete in our community with a clear pathway in mental health care and supports that they need.
We wanted to create an event that catered to Lloydminster, the families, and everyone within it. We wanted to create something special that maybe we thought we would never be able to get. I think we've achieved that here. On September 28th, 2019, at 3 p.m., everything changes.
Hi, I'm Gerald AALBERS, Mayor, City of Lloydminster. It's a pleasure to talk about a project that's going to be coming up this fall here in Lloydminster. The Edmonton Oilers alumni will be coming to play the Calgary Flames alumni. It's exciting to have the Edmonton Oilers alumni come to the city to raise money for Project Sunrise. The Health Foundation, you've heard lots about it over the last couple of years. And people like Boundary Ford have stepped up and said, let's make this happen. So here's an opportunity to come out and watch some of the NHL greats come to our city right here in Lloydminster to play some hockey and have some fun. There's a weekend that's going to be full of many activities. If you like autographs, if you like to learn more about hockey, or you just want to have a great time with some great people, please plan to mark that on your calendar and come out and join us.